All right, so let's go with some questions real quick. Scroll up to this chat. For streaming in general, how many devices do you need? Doesn't matter. All right, for streaming in general, I would say minimum like 2 devices. You know, you need your laptop, and I'd say probably like an iPad. Minimum 2. I'd say a laptop to see your stream on. All right, like to see this. To see this, you want this on your screen at all times. You need to be able to see this. Look at this. This should be your main screen as you're looking at this. All right, all this right, not this right here in the middle. Don't focus on this right here. Just focus on this right here. All right, this is what you want. So one screen for that. All right, and then another device should have like this on it. So this is me looking at my stream on my iPad. All right, so one device that's going to have what I just showed you, and the second device is going to have this. The reason why you want this on the second device is so that way if there's any problems with your stream, you're looking at it as a viewer would as well.